Hi everyone, welcome back to Weekend Outing channel. It's really exciting. We are going to India and there are even the other news that I want to share that Siddharth and I are getting married this month. So lots of things are happening around and we are just at the Dublin airport. So we just are done with our security check-in and even we got a priority access because that was included in our ticket. And the another thing that I wanted to say you is that last time when Siddharth and I was traveling to India, what happened was like our flight was delayed by a couple of hours, like say 3 or 4 hours. So we got a compensation for this flight bill. So we don't have to pay anything because we went onto the Etihad website. We didn't use any third-party app to get the refund. So this journey is going to be free for us. So they're just like a small toys for the kids. If you compare the Dublin departure airport to the Mumbai's one, it's quite small. Initially, you will only see the shops, and then after all, that will be the restaurants. This is the chocolate sections, and whatever offers you see over here, like mix and match or any premium chocolates which are there on the offers, you can even have them on the website. That is the link. Usually, we always do the click and collect, so that's the collection point of the and if you are traveling from the Dublin, then it is 24 hours prior you can do the click and collect, and for Cork it is 72 hours. She's just going to put it in the ceiling bag. So here you just have to show your boarding pass and the passport, that's all. So it saves a lot of time. Finally, we are going in the plane now. The takeoff is at 8 o'clock. Since we got the priority access, the whole plane is empty for now. But slowly people will start coming in. So we have opted for the 2 seats. So that's gonna be at the last. Then it is 52. I'm here. So there it is. This is the Asian vegetarian meal. When you go on the website, there are various options and you can opt for whichever you like. Just landed in the Abu Dhabi right now and it's 8:11 in the evening. We have the next flight in 1.5 hours. Usually till now so far whenever we traveled it was like we had to go for the security checking twice, but this time they haven't kept any security checking, so we have ample amount of time to just roam in the airport. This is the Abu Dhabi airport. We are just heading towards our gate. So when you're at the Dublin airport, use the last lane during your security check-in so that you don't have to remove anything from your bag, and also keep your lithium batteries in the cabin bag.
Off to Mumbai.
Everything went well. We are actually at the Mumbai airport right now, and a lot of time took at the immigration, and we are just going to see our parents now.
बरं वाटलं. राहू दे. वेलकम टू गेट अप. पण इतका राहू दे. छान दिसतंय माझ्या बघायला यायची बदल ना भाकरवाडी बाबावर आणली ते तुला आवडते ना चहा बरोबर. थँक्यू.